kapatid, maging mapagmatyag sa mga nababasa sa social media.
Ingat sa pag-click at share online.
Huwag pong maniwala sa mga nagkakalat ng fake news.
In a world where every click, like, and share matters, the media shapes how we think, act, and connect. But here's the truth. Not everything you see online is real.
Survey as the main spreaders of false information in the country. An overwhelming majority also agree fake news is a problem that should be addressed in the Philippines.
We can control everything online, but we can control how we use it.
The media is powerful, but so we are, the youth. We can make it a tool for truth, creativity, and change.
Hindi natin kontrolado ang lahat sa online, pero kontrolado natin kung paano ito gagamitin.
Piliin natin na mag-share ng katotohanan, magpakalap ng kabutihan, at mag-isip bago mag-post. Sabi nga nila, think before you post.